How to fix Wi-Fi name not showing up on Android, not detecting Wi-Fi. Now, if you want to connect to internet, but your Wi-Fi is not showing up, and not only Wi-Fi itself, but Wi-Fi names or other available networks are also not showing up. Even if you turn on Wi-Fi, you're not being able to find those names. Now, first of all, you want to make sure if it's not the issue with your internet connection itself. Check if the network is showing up on other devices but not on yours. Check if you're within the range of the network and see if that actually helps you, right? After you've done that, you can simply select the network and you can choose to connect to that particular network depending upon your wish. If it's still not showing up, what we can try to do is, one thing is you can just restart your device, because sometimes a basic restart is going to help you solve most of the issues within the software. Otherwise, you can open settings on Android, then go to the option called General Management. Scroll down, select Reset, then scroll down and select Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset Settings. This will not erase your data completely, but it will only reset your settings value. So after that, you can go ahead and then basically find out and reset the settings, and it should help you solve the problem. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.